Yo! Good morning, everybody. Literally 3 days till 2026. It's Monday. Make sure my volume's not too loud so y'all can hear me. Feels like it's fucking blaring. Let's get focused. Let's get serious. Let's get paid. We only need good morning, work. Bobby, good morning, King. Let's go. See what we can do. The market's moving, family. The range today is already 240 points, a little bit more than I expected it to be. How was your Christmas, brother? It was incredible work. Truly an incredible time with the family. Wouldn't trade it for anything. I hope yours was too. Hope everybody's was just wonderful. And you guys got to spend all the time with the loved ones. That's what it's about. And now, family, we got to do the thing. We got to get paid. And the market's moving, so I think we have an opportunity. I'm locked out May 233 on Sunday. Yeah, you did. Let's go, Bobby. Way to take your money and get out, King. I think we might have a little bit of a range today. I mean, if you look at the hourly chart here, we're coming down into these big wicks. We're opening towards the lows, coming down towards this close, this gap as well. I think we might have some selling, but we'll see. I mean, some buying. Good morning, Dave. Welcome in, King. Hope your Christmas was great. Hope you're feeling awesome. Up into the 25,700 on the NASDAQ. The range today, a bit bigger than I expected already. It is a Monday. Only a few more days left of the year. Tyler, can you turn the mic up? Dave, if you saw how loud my mic is, King, it's all the way up. It's all the way up, brother. I'm sorry I'm so quiet. Still a little bit have less of my voice, but... sorry, brother. I got my funded account ready, but I'm trading another 50K. I want to get 2. Then you get 2, King. Let's get it. Put a little combine on there. Let's get focused. On a scale from 1 to 10, Dave, what would you describe the volume as? Holy, selling right off the open there. Coming down into the lows here. I'm going to try a low risk buy. Oop, turn my trade mode on. 5 contracts. I'm going to go low risk buy down here. Looks like we're not going to get a fill because I'm slow. 5 out of 10 loudness. What would everyone else give me for volume-wise? You guys all say it's about 5 out of 10. I'm buying the 675. I'm going to try a long down here, guys. This is super early, but I just want to see what happens. Probably going to not get a fill now. Trade SL. Silver, dude? What's up with silver? What's silver doing, Bobby? It's going wild. See if we can get tapped into this.
Order fill.
Just got pushed into a long down here at the 675s. Let's see what we can find. We're opening towards the lows. I want to see this market get a little excited. I have a feeling we could hold here. Good morning, fam. Been a minute, TLR. Feels like it has been, King. Happy to have you here. Let's get focused. Run it up, Wani. Good morning, King. Happy to have you. Hope everybody's Christmas was incredible. Done for the day, full TP on Dow. Too easy for that man work. Shit was consistently going up. I love how you trade, King. Easy. Finding another wick down here to start filling out. Not looking too shabby. Let's go sell 5 stop loss. Gonna have our stops below the low right now and just wait for the price to kind of do what it wants. Currently liking the reaction, but still got to find some excitement if we want to actually get out of here. Oh, here we go. Break-evens are on now. Should have sized a little heavier than I did. We're already crushing this trade, honestly. Let's be patient, though. Maybe we have a nice fill for the day. If we can close up and above these 710s, we're going to look pretty strong. I could still be holding. Oh, my God. Yeah, I bet you could work. Good trading, though, brother. Good morning, Danny. Super happy to see you, Queen. Hope your Christmas was awesome. Matrix, same to you, King. Super happy to have y'all here. We're in an early trade. I bought the lows off that wick push. Getting to see if we can get price to react. I sold 76 to 87. You sold 76. Okay. Should have held. Nice little trade, though. Only real ninjas trade silver. I haven't ever dabbled with silver, Pobby. I bet it's fun. But we don't want to get caught in hype. We just want to catch the fun, the real moves, the consistency. Looking to see if we can get in through these 20s. It'd be nice to maybe go test out this EMA price. We're in a nice little position, already up about $1,000 bucks. Let's just see what happens here. My real exit, it's tricky to say, just with the way that price is right now. I wouldn't mind seeing us go see, like, I think the obvious obstacle is going to be these 2030s, so it's going to be hard to see what happens there. Everyone like up the stream for my boy Tyler. Let's turn up today, man. Let's go work. Yo, family, I missed y'all. Happy to be back. If y'all show some love, let's hit that like button. Start this week strong. It is the final week of 2025. Couple more days left, and then we're into the 26s. Let's go. It is, but ooh, 5 minis for the 125 a tick is crazy. It is insane, Pobs. Good morning, Mad Max. Welcome, mid. Happy to have you, King. Hope your Christmas was awesome. Hope you're feeling great. Ready for the new year. 26 is going to be our year, friends. I promise. I'm feeling dialed. 20 likes from my brother. Come on, work. That's my guy right there. Always showing love. Always showing positive energy. Absolutely love it. NASDAQ held the EMA pretty nicely. Now we're pushing up into the 720s. Like I said, that 730s area is where I'm going to expect some resistance. If we can get through there, it might get exciting, but got to get through that price right now. Already up a little, almost 40, 50 points here. I probably will just take it at 50 points because I didn't really expect a whole lot, but we'll see. You know what I mean? I didn't expect a ton, but we'll see what happens. We got caught a nice move already. NASDAQ's printing to the upside here. Let's go see this VWAP out. Clear obstacle is going to be this bottom down around here. But I like this little recovery that we're forming. I like the little recovery. We're going to have some clear resistance around these 20s, 30s like we're auctioning into right now. As long as we're above the EMA, I like it. Yo, Pat. Good morning, King. Super stoked to see you, brother. Hope you're doing amazing. What's your target for today? Well, obviously, ideally, we make what we need to make to get these accounts to Valhalla, which would mean 3,600. But I don't know exactly what I'm looking for right now, to be honest with you, TLR. I think I'm going to take this trade off at VWAP. Get out a little bit before VWAP, somewhere around here. Sell 5 limit. I think this is going to be our first trade, looking for the 55s, about 80-point trade, and then we'll see what we can target from there. Man, I'm really off my game. The holiday chop had me nervous. 201, and I could have made 1,000. Yeah, that's tough, Dave. Sorry to hear it, but hey, good trading out of you.
Order filled.
Boom! Beautiful trade, family. Early, 80 points, cake, easy. Not got to worry about it. Taking off my orders. Now let's just dial in. We got a little bit more to make here. That's the whole point about Christmas, though, baby. Plenty of opportunity, Dave. W's. Called it, bro. Good shit. I miss seeing my gold pump on 9:30 opening. Now it just dumps. Gold's got to move. What a quick little trade there, family. Woo! Let's go, Ty. Already big dub for you. I know. Starting the morning strong. And the market's feeding us. We could have held that for another couple points there. Not going to be whatever the word is. But look at this pump. Here comes the NASDAQ. This is the spot where I'd expect some more resistance in around this wick price. Specifically, these 794, 800 price. We're into the 800s, 820s. Hey, Dave, I see what you're saying, King. I'm off my game. I guess we could have held this, huh? Sorry to cough in your guys' ear. Love the volume right now. Getting some range. See if we can take advantage of it. Yo, there's already 20 people watching, family. I missed Stream Friday. Could we get 20 likes? Let's show some love. Let's get this thing rolling. Final week of 2025. Can you guys imagine? Holy shit. I can't even believe it. So exciting. Tyler, are these funded or eval? These are evals, Dave. I got, what do we have to make? We have to make 36 today and then 36 tomorrow in a hypothetical world to pass. So I need another $2,000 right now and then 36 tomorrow if we want to be stunning, but we'll see what happens. Asia low tap. Is that what that was? Yeah, we did. We just tapped Asia's bottom there, which was opening near the low anyway. And now we're auctioning up. Hello, sir. Abi, welcome in, King. Love to see you here, King. Happy energy. Hope you're feeling great. Happy New Year in advance, sir. See, there he is. Already showing positivity. 3 days left of 2025, family. 26 is going to be our year. I've been saying it. I know it. It's more than manifestation. It's just what I know. It's what I feel. You can only show up with pure energy so many times until you get rewarded. I will probably be trying to buy a VWAP pullback, guys, just to let you know. I'm going to go... maybe trying to buy this VWAP pullback. I think I'm going to go 10 contracts. What do I need? I need 2 grand. So 10 contracts would be 50 points. Maybe something like that. We'll see. Do you go heavier with these bigger accounts or stick to 1 contracts? I usually go a little bit heavier, TLR. You're a little bit, I think it's a little safer to go heavier with a little bit, not crazy. So if I usually go 1 contract in a 50, I might go 3 in a 150. That's usually what I do. I went 1 down here just because I didn't, you know, it was just early trade, a couple minutes in, but price respected us. So I'm going to come down here, going to go buy 10. We're going to buy a VWAP pullback if we can get some love. Seems a little scary just because of, you know, the way the world is. But if we come down, hold off this EMA. The reason I don't actually love this is just a little still early. Still want to wait for our 15 minutes maybe. Actually, I'm going to take that order off just because of what I just said. And I'll put 1 contract on. Let's go 1 contract down here. Let's go 1 contract to 762s if we get to hold. 3 blessings days, man. 3 blessing days, man. Let's go work. We're going to get these accounts passed for him. And then you guys are going to be excited to see what we do with them. I promise. I'm not going to be trading them timid. I like the way we're auctioning this. I might even look for more, honestly. I'm going to go 10 contracts. Yeah, I like this. I like the way we're doing it. I like what we're doing here, honestly. Buy 10. Come on, come find me. Come find me at the 762s, Nazi. And then we'll have a quick stop on. We need 50 points, so it would be 812 would be our full exit if we get a fill, which would be like right here. So if we get a fill at the VWAP, we're going to look for a rotation back to high a day, and that would be us passing these accounts or being done for the day, but we'll see. Let's go. I'm excited for the year ahead of us, brother. Me too, work. Very, very excited. Blessed to hopefully make it to 2026. Rip to the people who didn't make it. Hey, Bobby, that's real perspective. We're here. We're all together. We're doing the thing. Blessed to have the opportunity. Hope everybody's feeling exceptional, guys. Like I said, 2025 is coming to a close. Think about all the things that you wanted to do, that you got to do. All the things you're looking forward to getting to do in 6. More importantly, the people you're going to be doing it with. So, nice strong opening candle here in the NASDAQ, pushing us all the way up from the bottom of 667, just about the bottom of Asia, up into the 800s. So, 150-point little rip there. Crazy. Crazy strength. Starting to round out a little bit here, tapping back into the EMA and the VWAP. I feel like we might not get a fill down here at the 62s at this point, so I'm going to have to front run a little bit more. Bring it up into the 64s. 13 more likes, baby. Come on, like that stream. Yo, family. There's 20 people in here. Y'all know what the goal is, just hitting that 20 every day. Y'all heard about Joshua Anthony, or Anthony Joshua got involved in a car crash, killed 2 people. He's good, but yeah, sad. Very sad. Just heard about that, actually. Dangerous. Roads are crazy, crazy dangerous. Grab or wax, brother. Early one for me. I love it. Yo, work. I'm on like a 7-day tea break too, King. So go ahead and enjoy some wax for me, bro. I've been thinking. Enjoy that for me. NASDAQ still auctioning up. Holding above the VWAP. I'm not even sure if we're going to get a fill because of the way that we're auctioning at this EMA. Kind of going completely sideways. You guys know the rule. Break out the way we broke in. If we're going sideways, broke up. I'm expecting some more push to the upside here. And I want to be involved with it. So give me a fill, Nazaruni. Give me a little fill. Might just hold the EMA. We could, we might, we could. VWAP's curling pretty aggressively. I would like one VWAP auction. One little tiny VWAP auction for the fun. Also, boss said FAFO, allegedly JP Morgan is behind the silver crash. JP Morgan behind the silver crash? What? What? Man, you made 8K under 3 minutes of market open. Abby, we out here. More to go, but we out here. Try to make that cash. It was a good little trade off the lows there. When I saw the opening print candles start selling into those wicks, I had to take an opportunity at it. I want to find a VWAP fill here, but it's feeling a little... It feels like EMA might be as low as we go. Our first 50 minutes are almost in. I'm going to get our box getting ready. Here's our 15-minute range. Looking for a fill at the VWAP. EMA is going to be the scary bit if we do get a chance. And then we got to just see these buyers come back. He says, shh. Well done, King. I appreciate it, Richner. Welcome in, King. Hope you're feeling great. Hope your Christmas was awesome and you're ready for the new year ahead. The opportunities that we're going to be doing in 26, family, are going to be amazing. Just excited to have every single one of you guys be a part of it. Right now, looking to see if we can find a buy at the VWAP. VWAP is continuing to leave my fill, so I have to keep adjusting our order, but we'll see what happens here. Just want one little go, a little tap and go before we go take out the high of the 15-minute range. We need 50 points or so from this 76, so it'd be 806 right now. Come give me a fill, Nazi. Come on. Come see us down here at the VWAP one time. Just like that. Come get us. Come fill us. Come tap us. Don't leave.
Order fill.
We're in. So it's sell 10 limit. No, buy 10 stop. Wait. Sell 10 limit. So we need to see the 806s if we want to try to get out of here. Got to see VWAP hold, of course. That's step number one. Otherwise, I'm going to have our stops in below this low down here. Doesn't feel great. Let's find these longs to hold here. Let's see these longs hold here. That's a really pretty strong close for the sellers there, actually. Don't love seeing that. Wanted a better reaction. Gonna have to keep watching and waiting. See what the EMA does with our VWAP. I hope it acts as our support line, but right now that's kind of a strong wick there from the sellers. Obviously VWAP now, don't love that we're underneath it. Don't love that we're up underneath the VWAP now. See what happens here. Wanting to see this find some support again. Push back up. This is about 50% of the range, so I don't hate it yet, but we'll see what happens. Trying to flash the VWAP again. If we close above VWAP here, it's going to look pretty strong. Don't want to wick it, though. You guys know the rules. Can we close up and around that VWAP? Beautiful. Let's go sell 10, stop. Stop loss is going to be in below this current swing low. I'm actually going to take this candle out. Can we get up and hold this EMA now? Come on, NASDAQ. We just need to see the 806s here. I love that we held VWAP again. We just need to see the buyers keeping that consistency, and we should be fairly decent. Want to see the not even the top of the range again, but just auctioning back in that direction. Big obstacle is going to be VWAP. Can we hold it? Don't want to see the buyers losing it like they look like they might be. Here's a nice wick. This is a wick we want to see. Here we go, longs. Hold this VWAP on. Push to the upside here, baby. If we can hold VWAP here, I'm targeting those 806s. Not even the top of the 15-minute range. It's all going to depend on this VWAP, though. Can we hold? It's not looking fantastic. That's not the close you want to see after that last reaction. Another EMA touch with the VWAP. If we don't hold here, we're probably going to take this loss. I'm going to come in a little bit lower with our stops, but really would rather be down and around this price for our stop loss. Pretty much risking our profits that we already made. Looks like we're not going to find the love. Looks like the sellers are taking this back now. That wick is starting to get stronger. Bummer. Bummer, because I have a hard feeling of when we're going to find the support. It's going to come stop me out and then find the love, isn't it? Show me some long, love. Leave my price alone. NASDAQ, not looking super strong now with the EMA curling back below VWAP. That was kind of our hope there. That previous close above VWAP, we needed to see some support. Didn't find it. Keeping my stop below the swing low over here. Seeing if we can find any auctioning from these longs before we get out. But we might just be giving up the profit we made, which isn't too bad. Still plenty of opportunity. Still more than enough opportunity. Show me some love, longs. Get excited through here. Makes 806 feel pretty far away now, below VWAP. Makes 806 feel pretty far away now, down below VWAP. Get back up there, and then EMA clear obstacle. Now that it's auctioned through VWAP, this is going to be our pretty much last chance here. Because of that, I'm going to update to a next swing low here. Don't need to risk so much. Come on, NASDAQ. Get up through this EMA. Through EMA will be obviously the VWAP. Through VWAP, I think we would be safe if we actually got a close like that. We got to see if we can get a hold. EMA is going to be the clear obstacle. Sellers are starting to show themselves below that VWAP. It's looking close, but I don't know. Could easily just take a nice little stop on this. Once we auction back through VWAP, that was the indicator there, right? Yeah, I think we're going to take a stop now. I just don't want to be the guy that gets to touch, you know? The cheese touch, where it just hits you and leaves you. But we don't need to update too much. So I'm going to put this right at these 27s. We're going to come to take a loss. Take a fill.
Stop filled.
All right. We lost all of our profits already. Blew my XFA today. Tried to trade silver for the first time. Didn't know why minis wiped me out 2 seconds yesterday. Insane. I'm in a short to that gap. What's good, brother? What's good, by the way? What's good, Ruckus? Happy to have you back, King. It's been a while. Come on, NQ. Play out for my brother Ty. Man, I wish I got bigger profit on those longs. I would have stopped for the day. Good morning. Good luck to all trading. Good luck, Diego. I appreciate you for being here, King. Done for the day. Halfway past my new combine. Yeah, you did. Let's go, Matrix. Sorry to hear about the silver trade, but that's what we're doing. NQ looking to reverse now. I traded 5 minis on silver. Somehow made it out alive. Crazy. Keep your head up, King. NQ going to play out for you. Absolutely. Tough little auction there. NASDAQ had the excitement. We pushed up 180 points. Now we're auctioning back to the bottom. It's kind of a little gross, honestly. Do not like it. Let's see what happens here, though. I'm expecting at some point we're going to find some excitement. Of course, had to come stop us out. We'll see what happens now. How many trades you take in a day? It depends, Obby. If it's a funded account, I'll be a lot more conservative. If it's a combine like this, just whatever I feel makes sense. Usually within our hour-and-a-half time frame, I'll probably find 3 or 4, 2 to 3. It really depends. Sometimes it's a one and done. Whatever happens. Man, I can't help but feel like that was a really interesting wick. The way that we just auctioned all the way up into the 8s there and then sold all the way back down. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. How many, watching Ty from my iPhone 17 Pro Max, 1 terabyte, nothing fish slashy. Let's go, Bobby. Little modest flex there. I love it. Bobby said, okay, yes, sir. Yo, there's 20 likes, 20 people in here, family. Let's hit that like button. If all of y'all show some love, we're at our goal for the day. 20 every day. Show up, hit that button. It means the most. Shows the most love. Gave back our profits already. Looking to see the rotation. Couldn't find it. Now we're sizing up into the 3, looking for 60 points. NASDAQ wanted to come tease me. Is that what I'm looking at right now? Is that what I'm looking at? For no fucking reason, we had to just go auction to the bottom one more time there and go try out these 7-Elevens. Is that what I'm seeing? Sellers looking like they may actually be in a bit more control right now. Try to push a rate back up into this price. Got stuck before even VWAP gets auctioned. Stuck below the EMA still. We're at this previous spot where I wanted to see hold, so it's going to be interesting to see what happens here. The longs look like they may be ready to start doing something again. But sellers are saying, hold on, we like this EMA. I don't want to see you get above it. Sellers are saying, hold on, I like this EMA a little bit here. See what happens. Be patient at this point. Let's just be a little bit patient at this point. Very soft flex. 8 likes. Let's go, Pat. I be eating beans and rice. 1 win, 1 loss. No biggie. You know this game, bro. Let's get it. Absolutely. 1 loss, 1 win. And I'm looking to find the last little one that we need here to cross us over the threshold. Let's see if we can keep holding this bottom. Kind of anticipating sellers to be winning the day a little bit here. After this reaction here, the excitement, we should have held the prices a little bit easier. VWAP is rounding out, so it's hard to exactly see where we're going. So we wait and we find out. As you can see, the price that I was debating on is where we're currently holding. Meaning I'm going to take a tiny attempt at this price with a quick stop loss. Very quick stop loss is going to be down here, like a very tight one. Otherwise, if this starts printing to the upside here, we could find some love. If we can get through the EMA, we could find some love. Otherwise, I'm going to take a quick stop on this. Get through the EMA. Get up through there, Nazi. Get excited through here. If we can close through the EMA, I'm going to put our break even on. Not auctioning at the EMA. Close through it, Nazi. Come on now. We're holding this price, debating if it wants to move. I took a small attempt at it because if it moves, it will move. If it doesn't, we'll take a quick stop. No big deal. Tight risk management. This is a fairly cheap trade for us. Lots of opportunity if it does start finding some bids. But it's not looking like they want to. Come on, buyers. Hold this price. You guys just did a bunch of crazy stuff earlier. EMA being the clear line in the sand right now. Get up there. It's not looking fantastic at this point. They keep teasing it. Buyers are popping in, but sellers clearly winning at this price. So might be taking another quick stop loss here. We'll see what happens. What I don't want to see is I don't want to be that bottom guy. Get wicked out of our fun.
Stop filled.
My God. The fuck is that? Anyone catch up Stranger Things over the weekend? I have not. What do you trade, funded or live account? Work, do you trade funded or live account? NA, Danny, I kind of lost internet after first couple seasons. Was it good? Lost interest over the first couple seasons. Yeah, I saw the first season and I was just like, eh. After that, it was just kind of, both brother haven't traded on lives in about a month now. Been trading funded on this PA for December. I'm kind of shocked by just the overall weakness of these buyers after that excitement. Classic. Absolute classic. Where are we auctioning down into? Yeah, I think this is going to break to the lows here. I kind of want to try another very tight stop buy. I feel like I should, but at the same time, it's tough. I can imagine us holding this price, but we could snap through it like we just did. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum. Great job sticking to the strat, man. Jasmine Rice, thanks, Pat. Jasmine Rice, W word. I want to know if Saab locked in with Fallout. So white rice, I'm not familiar with different rice, LOL. No, jasmine rice is not white rice. Jasmine rice is great. It's long grain. Oh my gosh, I had a feeling. I knew we were going to find some longs. I just couldn't figure it out. Where? Trying again down here before they go. See if they'll give us a fill. Trying it again before they go. Will they give us a fill? Trying the 29s out. One more chance at it. Tight stop. Give me that.
Order filled.
No, do not tap me into one and not the rest.
Order filled.
All right. Very tight stop. We have our 20 on. We're going to go sell 20 stops. Stop loss is in. Break even's going to be on now. See this thing move away for us. Come on. Print to that view up again. Auction up there. You got to go with that. You got to go. Got to go through there, Nazi. Close through here. Trying to be patient. I have a feeling we're going to get wicked out of our fun, though.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Like I said, I have a feeling we're going to get stopped out of the fun here. Although I do think, though, if the sellers were serious there, they were going to win that. So, I mean, if the buyers were serious, they were going to win that. So the fact that they didn't, I still think sellers are winning. Gold is straight selling, so maybe we see some volume. DXY, same way all as well, so NQ should come up. I'm back to paper, no evals or funded. Got to work and save up a little. That's what we got to do, baby. That's the process. That's the fucking process, king. Oh, long grain. It's like white rice. It's similar. Sellers look in control. They blew through that buy demand zone. Yeah, I think sellers, after that right there where I want to see them hold this price, they may actually be holding. There's nothing really down here for me to say that buyers would like these prices. Pretty ugly little price action. A little excitement through here and then just sideways, gave up VWAP, and now we're just weakening. We're just weakening. It's hard though because I wanted to find some selling, but I just don't like this price. I feel like we're gonna auction. Like if you look at the hourly chart, right? We came down into these wicks this morning, found some excitement down there, and are now auctioning back up. I guess we could come find the 679 price. Could definitely come trade into that, I guess. I like that actually. We'll see. We'll see if they want to hold this. Coming back into this low again. Coming back into the lows. Auction prices already slowed down quite a bit from this earlier little excitement. We tried to break out of this trend, got rejected again. I think sellers are showing their strength. I think we could maybe go see these 720 or 679s, but because we're just so low into the sevens, it doesn't make it too crazy. Is it me, or did the Christmas didn't feel like Christmas? Well, Poppy, you're getting older, King. You know, Christmas spirit. You got to find that Christmas spirit. Took out the lows again, back into the EMA. I was going to try to short this one. Happened so quick, though. I'm shorting 721s with a pretty heavy size. Looking for a rotation into the lows. See if we can get a fill. No way I get a fill because that's what I want, right? Damn. Gonna keep trying to carry it in. Looking to short this EMA. I don't love it. I think we're gonna go see the 679s, I think. Here come the 700s. There's the sevens. Little snap of some volume. Still anticipating some selling from here. Wow, 180 points up and then right back down. This is the NASDAQ after all, huh? It didn't, man. I felt the same way, LOL. Yeah, I did too, but in a good way. I also got to give my family one of the cooler gifts I've ever been able to give for Christmas. So it's kind of like we're just getting older. We're migrating. We're changing. Did you blow up your TPTs, Pat? I thought you were back on funded. Either way, I hear you're on the saving in the same boat. Danny. We all right on a journey together. Yeah, my goal for 2026 is 50Ks in payouts and max allocation with TPT. I love it. I actually like TPT now. Pat kind of opened my eyes to him, so I'm going to give them a try here in a little while. Here come the 690s. I think 679 is where we could auction to. Right now, this selling just seems strong. I try to get in up around that EMA price. Gonna be shorting any EMA touch at this point. TPT has trailing drawdown. Might not be good for your trading style. Oh, really? I did not know that. Yeah, you're right, Matrix. Not really strongest for my style. Amen, Pat. Your blessing for the 2026, brother. I love it, work. Still just watching this week. GPT, that's good discipline, King. No reason to get too crazy. 689 is where we just found. Still think we have lower to go, possibly. Can trying to get into this selling, but looks like it has no interest in having us be a part of it. Looks like it has no interest in me being part of it. Okay, fine. That is fine. Do not. Okay. No, that's okay. Yo, there's 26 people watching, family. If all of y'all hit that button, we go ahead and hit our goal for the day. Could we get 20 likes? It means the most, guys. I appreciate you guys. Yep, all gone, Danny, and things have been tighter lately, so gonna do some remote work to pay the bills and fun trading. I love it. Besides Top Step, which one is like them? Besides Top Step, which one is like them? Besides Top Step, which one's similar to Top Step? I think it's tricky. Everything's fairly competitive and similar right now. I would say truly probably Tradeify, to be honest with you. If you do the flex accounts, not the select accounts. Select accounts, you get paid every day. Other accounts are a little bit more similar, I'm pretty sure. 11 more likes for that 20 likes. Let's go, work. Y'all can do it. What's good, family? Daiquiri, welcome in, King. Happy to have you. It's been a while. Hope your Christmas was awesome, dude. Let's lock in for the new year, eh? Okay, I'll do that next month. Thanks. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Pobby. Still slowly auctioning into the 79s here. We keep trying to get in with this EMA slide, but it's not looking like we're going to get a fill. And here comes the 80s and the 79 that I wanted to see traded just got traded. So now we're blind again. I guess that wick, though, is no joke. We could easily keep finding some selling at the bottom of the range. Back into these wicks where we found an easy bid before. Watch this, guys. I won't do it. I won't be crazy. I won't do it. I was gonna have an insanely quick little. This auction. I want to go see the bottom of this range snap through. Everything's telling me we're gonna go see the bottom of the 50-minute range. Shorting the 697s. Forming another wick down here, but it would be kind of wild. We went up 180, sold it all the way back down. I kind of anticipating it to hold. Kind of anticipating it to hold. We'll see what happens. Flashing back at the wick. We go take out Asia low here for sure, right? We go take out Asia low here for sure, right? Yeah, TPT and Apex has trailing drawdown, crap. Top Step, Lucid, Tradeify, only firms that don't. It's really tricky. They switched to end of day drawdown versus the daily trailing drawdown. It's way easier now. For TPT, I would join Seller's Tie, decent size. I tried. That's what I was trying to do, Pat. That's what I was trying to do, my mans. I've been trying since like back here. Just have not been able to get a fill. And I really still want to get a part of it, but give us the love. I want to see these Asia lows get snapped through. I shorted 720s and locking it up here from 201 to 501. From plus 200 to down 500 to down 1,000 and now plus 500. Let's go, Dave. I'm definitely done for the day. 48, and I should have not overtraded today. Hey, man. Way to get out of there with some skin in the game, though. That's what makes us better traders. Sorry to hear, Pat, but you still get back in the horse unit, I believe. Absolutely, Danny. I believe, too. So, buyer volume, sellers try to hold. Buyers are still holding. I think we're going to go see the lows of Asia get snapped here. Trying to get a part of it, but man, they just keep finding decent selling right off the top. Yes for TPT. W Dave lockout, bro. Enjoy the green and stick to your rules. Absolutely. Look at this EMA kind of getting really steep here. We came up to the VWAP, rejected it. EMA is finding some bigger selling. Just want to be a part of it, NASDAQ. Why are you not like auctioning like this? I just don't want people to think I am always green. I'm human. I make mistakes like everyone. That's what we do. See you all tomorrow. Take it easy, Dave. Have a great time, King. Good job locking it out and being green. Way to be disciplined. Way to be disciplined, my man. NASDAQ, come give me a bid up here so I can sell this thing on your forehead, please. If I go 50 contracts, what would I need? I would need like 20 points. I would need 39. I would need like, yeah, I think I would need like 18, 20 points. There goes the bottom of the 15-minute range. There goes the bottom of the 15-minute range right there. All the way down from the top to the bottom. Now, this is where it gets weird because I could imagine us holding and pushing right back up through this EMA now. Let's see what happens. But also Asia low being right there makes me think we go see that. I'm trying it.
Order filled.
This feels like it's the worst that it always is for me here.
Order filled.
I had to close it super quick there. That's why you don't. Oh. I had to close that one. I can already see the volume coming through. There it is. That would have been trouble. I imagine we go see Asia low, but can I afford the drawdown? That's the question. I'm going to draw a line here. See if we see anything. Not really. We swept through the bottom. This is where longs can just get weird. It gets hard to predict them. Have a great day, Dave. Hit the weights. Nice music and background. You like it, Avi? Let's go. Great trade management. It was all right. I had to try. Because if it moved for us. But then the longs, of course, of fucking course, after we snap the bottom of the range, we're always going to go auction the other side now. Breaking through this trend line. Do we go back all the way up now? Is that what you're telling me? Is that what you're teasing me? I'm going to try to short these 712s with 5 contracts. See if we can find any love. What's my MLL? Can I get a fill? Are we going to get a fill? Can I get a fill? Oh. Flash it.
Order filled.
Just got filled. Now I want to see the sellers winning this price. This EMA, I wanted to see interact with our trend line at these previous wicks. Guess that would have been the safer fill, actually. Come on, sellers. Come on, sellers. Come on, sellers. Let's try out this EMA one more time here. Show me some strength from the selling. If we try out the EMA, I'm going to put our break even on. Don't got to be crazy. It's not my favorite trade. I think longs are actually going to be winning right now. Break even's on. It's pretty early, but got to go early just because of where we're at. Now show me the selling though. We already fought for our price. Here comes the EMA. This is going to be the obvious obstacle. If we cut through this, go back in that trend line, would be nice. From there it'd be Asia. Get back in that trend line though. Break through this EMA. What do you even like about an EMA, eh? What do you even like about an EMA, huh? Come on. Don't want to see them holding this EMA. That's a pretty good wick. It's a pretty good wick. Go try out that EMA. Hold it down. Bust it down. Break it open. Yeah, we keep getting our chances. Being patient here. Gotta see us try to snap through it, but it feels like we're gonna go break ace even. Yo.
Stop filled.
God, he's fucking big blacks, no wicks. Come on. I'm planning to start working out when I get to Thailand in January. I will definitely ask you and Tyler for some workout advice. We got you, Dave. Asia low all the way up at 817. I meant low a day. You're right, Danny. My fault. I meant low a day. That sounds great, man. Happy to hear. Ask anything, bro. Trading and everything are everything to me. I love it. Trading and training. What a lifestyle. Well, I was hoping to see us hold this for some selling. We didn't. Seen someone get an email from Apex saying they can't buy new evals based on their history and payouts. Just keep evals in mind. Other firms might follow Top Step and try to ban people. Yeah, GPT, it's been happening. It has been. Big blacks, no wicks. Y'all know the rules. How's your chest feel, Ty? Feels a lot better. I appreciate it, King. Can breathe now. Can breathe finally. Well, we have a perfect double bottom after snapping through the bottom of the 15-minute range, so. There's 30 people watching, guys. It means the most. If you haven't shown any love, let's hit that like button. Our goal is just to get 20. If we could do that, it would mean the most. Go into 2026 with some energy. Carry all of the vibes and positivity over. Longs are trying to earn it. Longs are trying to earn it. VWAP is above at the 50s. I imagine we go auction somewhere close to that now that we've swept the bottom of the range and we're back inside of it pretty strong. I'm going to buy these 712s. Buying this previous bottom. If you see here where we pushed back through, finally reclaimed. See if we can get a retest of it. Probably won't, but we'll see. All right, King, I'm going back to sleep. Wish you the best. End of the year positive. Let's go, Matrix. Appreciate that, King. How much do you need to make on these accounts, Ty? We need 36, Danny. So now I need what? Dang, a lot. 46, 54. I need 5,400 now. So it'd be 50 points with 5 contracts. Not easy. Not the most easy there. Little V recovery coming back up into these wicks where I wouldn't mind finding some selling, but I expect us to just keep holding. Buy the VWAP tap. That's what I'm looking for. I was trying to buy this previous bottom here where we pushed up above finally. Wanted to buy these bottoms and then push sell at VWAP, but it's looking like it's not fully interested in giving us a fill. EMA's curling. Give me a little fill, a little quick flash fill and then go. A little quick flash fill and go. We get out at VWAP. Otherwise, I'm going to have to sell VWAP. Not the easiest trade. Still looking to buy this bottom of the 713s. But VWAP looking like it's coming in pretty quickly. Meaning I'm going to be shorting it. If we come up into the VWAP, I will be shorting it. Sell 25 limit. Bam. Ba-boom. This looks like the end for NASDAQ that it does sometimes, or it just forms ends, and this could easily close to high a day today. So I'm going to have a very quick stop on this VWAP pull. Honestly, very, very quick stop on this VWAP touch. Because I've seen this before. We could very much go see high a day here. This is an end, the end shape. You have a strong push, it goes back all the way to the bottom and then closes somewhere positive. So we're going to be very careful on this VWAP short. I still prefer to buy along, I think. Right now it's not giving us any chances. Might get a small rotation off of VWAP fill if we get one. Might get a small rotation if we get a chance there. Get some rest matrix later, brother. Thanks, Pat. Everyone else, see y'all tomorrow. Buy the VWAP tab. Here comes a VWAP. We're going to be selling it. 5 contracts at the VWAP. Did we get a fill? Not yet. Anticipating it, though. Like I said, I've seen an end pattern here play out before. It is a lower volume, so maybe not exactly play out, but I've seen this close towards high a day before. Man, I wanted this buy once we saw that breakthrough. Turning right before VWAP isn't super encouraging for our position. Wanted this volume to give us a fill and then find this reaction. Strong V recovery here. Good morning, James. Welcome in, King. Yeah, if we don't get filled on this next candle, I'm going to be closing this order and looking for a buy. I don't like that we front ran it, turned right before VWAP, and are now looking to still build liquidity. Like I said, I've seen this end pattern play out. We have a strong push, sell all the way to the bottom of the range, and then go close somewhere around here. How are the markets treating you, my friend? Hey, like an old friend, you know what I mean? You love to see them. Some days they know what to say to hurt your feelings, but you'll never trade anything. You'd never trade a day without them, so. Can we get a little fill at the VWAP, though, at the 750s? Looks like we just got teased again on our order. Now I really don't like it. I really don't like it as much because of how we're getting teased of our fills. I'm taking it off. I anticipate us to go snap through it. Meaning we are full interested in longs, right? And what price does that make sense? For me, it would be more like something like this for a nice long fill. Come give me that fill. Come give me that fill, NASDAQ, at the 34s. Please. And then go hit VWAP. Look at this bottom that we're trying to buy, guys. The reason I like these 34s right now. See if we can get a fill.
Order filled.
And I asked and we received. Now let's wait to see these longs hold. Wait and see if these longs are going to give us some holding. Push right back up to that VWAP. Not bad. Sell 25, stop. Stop loss is in. We're going to put break even on already. Just let it ride. If we can close above VWAP, it'd be nice. Push us up there, Nazi. I want to see a nice little close here. Close strong. Close up and through near this VWAP. We got what we needed there for some volume. Now I really want to see VWAP be taken out. It hasn't even been tapped yet. Get up there. Get up through there then. Going sideways, pinching below, between this EMA and VWAP. Like I said, this end pattern is what I'm hoping to see play out. I want to see us close through these wicks, obviously. We haven't even tapped VWAP since these last auctions, so at least give us a VWAP touch. There's the volume. Still haven't touched VWAP. There it is. Now what are we going to do? Now what are we going to do now that you pushed up through there? You're going to give us any wick? You're going to hold? What are you going to do? Gross volume and an awful candle, honestly. God. No chance to even react to that. That's just gross. Push and hold. Don't love a doji like that after getting VWAP is not in our favor there. Not really in our favor there. We needed to see some reaction that was a little bit more sustainable. Just took out some liquidity there. Still auctioning. Can we hold above this EMA? I want to see VWAP auction as our new base. Can we get there? Can we get there, NASDAQ? Not going to lie, guys. For what we're looking for, which is what I was wanting to see VWAP, that is a really gross wick candle. It's not in our favor. Obviously, we're going sideways, so we can still find some love, but, man, it's a tough reaction. Get up through there, then. Show us that you really like it. Through VWAP, we'll get pretty buy-y. Buyers will get excited through the VWAP. Our full TP would be somewhere around here. Sell 25 limit. That would be like full TP, I think. Maybe not even 40 point. Yeah, about that. That'd be about that. Can we get through this VWAP? Here comes another opportunity at it. I like the longs here to try. Get through there. Don't want to see another wick. That will be bad for us. Gosh. Another really gross candle. Close, baby. No can-do'sville, baby doll. Beautiful reaction. Can we hold the VWAP now, longs? You guys are excited? Can you hold it? We're just looking for this wick at the 75s. Get up there. Show me some love. As soon as this EMA touches into the bottom of this, we're going to be scaling our profits. once the EMA curls up to the bottom of the VWAP here. It's a tough trade to keep trying to hold more for, especially at these wicks and that VWAP. Let's see the longs though. Get up through there. Don't love it. They're making us wait. Back below VWAP now. These are the harder trades to hold through. Holding through the slow grinds up for me are not easy. Come on, clear this price. This is the end pattern I wanted to see play out. Long's got to close. If we don't close above VWAP and closing this trade, guys, we have to hold above VWAP on this candle. Otherwise, I'm just going to take our little tiny move. Like I said, slow grinds are the hardest for me to hold. Get up there. It's a nice close. I'll take that. Can we find some auctioning now? Can we get up there now? Beautiful. Get up there. Love it. Love to see it. We're going to hold. We're going to trail now. We're going to trail now. My math was wrong, guys. I need more than the 75s, I guess. Slightly. Actually, I need 85. That sucks. Don't really want to try to see 85. 85 is a little bit scarier, gross, or ugly. 75 I like. We take 75, huh? If we even get the love there. No can do'sville, baby doll. Get up there. I'm going to put our profit at 85, which would be us passing today. It's a little bit scary, and I'm just going to trail our stop. We're now not going to let anything come back below VWAP for us. 85 will be us passing our day, so we'll see what we can do. We're looking to see the 85s. I hate it. I really like the 75 as a much safer exit. Much safer exit, but you see it. And this is the reason why here. This is why you gotta grab what you can grab. Go grab. Auction back up there. It's a really good close from the sellers there, I'm not gonna lie. Makes me feel very, very weak to find those 75 or 85s. Where do we even get to? 72. So even if I was looking for the 75s there, we weren't making money. Anything above the EMA is pretty decent for us here. I love that it's trying to find some balance between us. We're going to go as close to that as we can. Come on, love. Find me some balance here. Wanted to see those 85s play, but man.
Stop filled.
All right. Funded is as follows. 0 to 1,000. Your session anchor might be different, Danny. Trails from tie, better than nothing. Great job, dude. Let's go, Pat. Funded as follows. Rip. Insane. Let's go, Abby. Evals is everything between 1 to 10 micros, and pass in the week is the goal. Nice, Danny. I like how you increase size with more drawdown. That's definitely the way to be. W's on break even. Yeah, we had to redeem the account. we're back to where we were. Excuse me. And there it is. So, I mean, it's tough. It really is tough what we were looking for there. EMA, as you can see, is starting to be the reactant to the VWAP. This is what I said. I said once this EMA touches the VWAP, I'm going to put our break even on there because we could find a reaction. Surely we did. Painful to watch, but that's what we got. And now they're trying to wick out of it. So, yeah. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. Yeah, it's a lot more stress-free. I can handle minis mentally if I go on tilt. I'm excited for you to get to that spot, but you just keep doing what you got to do, Queen. Keep sizing into your ways. Find your strategy. Excuse me. Find what strategy works for you in terms of that sizing, and eventually you'll feel comfortable with some minis. Eventually, you know, but for now, just do what you got to do, Queen. Get those accounts back. Get that confidence up. 2026. I'm telling you, every single one of you guys, 2026 is going to be our year, and it's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. Wow, what a day. We've gone lots of trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we are exactly where we started. Nowhere. Exactly where we started. Buyers try to get up through the VWAP, but honestly, they found some pretty big rejection. So I'm going to take an attempt to find the sellers here.
Order filled.
I'm shorting the VWAP. Quick reaction here. See if we can find any love to the bottom. 36 points from here would be 14. Buy 25 limit. That would be us passing today if we get any reaction. If we can hold this VWAP selling, I would mind it. Buy 25 stop. Stop loss. Got to try to break through these wicks, obviously, Nazi. Show us some love at these wicks. I like the way the EMA is trying to fail at the VWAP. I want to see some heavier selling now. Put break even on. Don't need to get crazy. Now just let this thing try to print for us. If we get to the 715s, we'll be passing today. Break through this little bottom here, NASDAQ. This is where we found our original bid, so it could easily hold. Look at this bottom that we're trying to break. It's a big bottom. If this bottom does break, I have a lot of confidence, but it's going to be a tough one to bid. But we're free. Free trade. It either breaks and pays us, or it holds and nothing happens. Nothing changes. Here come the 40s. Can we get through here now? This is the big spot. Really, the really big spot is going to be these 34s. Come on, sellers. Win this price for us. Nice reaction. Go snap through these 30s. I love that the EMA officially has failed at the VWAP. Here comes another EMA touch from the buyers. Can we find the reaction? Or are we going to get another VWAP touch and keep us out of the fun? Another decent reaction. Come on, sellers. Come on, sellers. Come take this bottom out here. This is a big bottom, so I don't really anticipate it to break, and especially not easily. But I would love it. I would love it while I'm a part of it. It'd be nice. Come on. Stop being so stubborn. Give me a strong close. That's all I'm asking for. A nice strong close to the selling side here. Sellers are below the EMA. Can we hold and push towards this low? No. No.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
No. What the fuck, man? Ugh. Like I said, it was always going to be a tough price to fight through. Always was, always was. Well, guys, we've taken hella trades. We tried our best. I made 800 today on micros, so they can add up good. That's insane, Danny. Good on you, Queen. 800 on just micros isn't wild. Everyone different can handle minis, but I like losing, so I decreased size and started from points instead of dollar amount. I like that. I tried minis on Friday again and blew my account funded, so yeah, staying clear from that until I have scaled many accounts. I like that. If you already took a try at it and you know what you need, Queen. You know what feels good for you. You can still make a lot on micros, but you just have to know when to put size on and when to just take base hits. W's to the short, Queen. Absolutely. 40s are right on the 21 EMA. 40s are on the 21 EMA. Yeah, that's why they held it pretty well there, Danny. Hey, Tyler, my mom is watching you. Can you please say hi in Hindi language? Namaste, auntie. Namaste, auntie. Appreciate you for letting Abby be here every day. It means the most. You've been trading really well, man. Don't let a break even bug you at all. W's on the execution. I appreciate that, Pat. Calling it a day, Ty? I don't know. We've had a lot of the fun. Is it over? I don't know. Down $6. Couldn't find the reaction. I still feel like we closed towards the highs here, which is what's stopping me. Still feel like we're closing towards the highs here. 6 better than negative 500, LOL. Yes, it is, Bobs. Yes, yes, it is, King. We're going to be patient. I think there might be one more chance today. One more chance. Thanks, dude. Actually, it means hello, auntie. I love that. I love that, Abby. Hello to your auntie. Namaste. Sellers trying to get this back below VWAP, but man, we're auctioning kind of weird. We're going a little bit sideways at VWAP. You guys know my strategy means that I'm not exactly sure if they're not giving us the fill. She's amazed. She's amazed that we lost $6. We were doing our best. Couldn't find any love. Auctioning back into these big 40s here. It's going to be interesting to see if Price wants to win here. Auctioning back into the 40s. I really would expect us to close higher than lower, but it's going to be tricky to find another fill. Look at this hourly chart. We decorated that like a tree. Not our best. Not our best work. Now it's going to break these 40s because it finally is going to play, huh? Take one more chance at this VWAP to hold for the sellers. One more short, but here they go into the 39s now. I feel like this holds. Boom, there's the first snap of it. And no, it's not gonna hold. It had to come up and play VWAP one more time. Tricky, tricky, tricky NASDAQ, huh? Just a tricky, tricky NASDAQ. If that goes, it doesn't matter. Gosh, we can never catch it when we're in there. Like, why? Once we broke through this VWAP, why do we have to auction again? It's always again. It's always one more again. Here come the 720s now in the NASDAQ. Officially, VWAP is looking like it's failing. Meaning we are going to take an attempt here at the 730s. Sell 25. I'm trying the 737s out for a short continuation. I guess the safer order would really be like 35. Anyway, we find love. Anyway. Any way you want me to be involved, Nazi? Get up there. Give me a fill. Last try. Probably my last trade of the day right here, family. If we can get a fill. Want to see a little pop into our price. Hold the EMA. Sellers to respect it. And us continue down in towards these 7s. It's my last chance. Can we get a fill at the 35s? No, it's just going to go one-sided. The one time it goes one-sided. God. Every other fucking move has a million wicks. A million fills. Not this time, of course. Yep, into the 709s. God. Tell you what, sometimes trading makes you mad. It really does. The one fucking time. We're sideways at the view up with 90 EMA glued to it. I'm not seeing any setups. Ty funny as fuck. Ty turned NQ into a Christmas tree. The one time we have no opportunity for a continuation, it's just when it goes directly towards a fill. Like, it's just annoying. We were in that. No. NASDAQ. God. Awful. Awful, awful, awful. This is, I mean, look at this price action, guys. That's pretty crazy. It's just going one-sided. It's just going one direction now. Absolutely just selling. The one chance that we're like, yeah, I'm going to join this, and there's no fucking continuation. It's just... Give us... Look at all this. Look at all this. Give us a fucking fill. God. So gross. Why would this happen after we try VWAP for the 4th time? So annoying sometimes. I got short and you got break even, not gonna lie. Well, that's good, Tim. Very happy for you, brother. It means you made some monies. Let's fucking go. You can still market fill on volume. Well, probably tap to the 60s. Yeah. I mean, I could definitely mark it in, but it's just tough. Diddy time? Oh, God. Oh, gosh. It does feel as though that could be what we're seeing. Yeah, it's tricky. You have a tight stop. Gotta have a tight stop. I'm going to try to short to 699. I just think there's probably a very, 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 very low chance we get a fill. And if we do get a fill, then it's going to be, the question is if it holds before we break through. And last trade.
Order filled.
Yep, we're in. Now do we hold below these 700s? It's the new question. The new question of the day. Do the 700s hold? Buy 25 stops. Stops are going to be in. I want to see the EMA is obviously going to be our next defense. And really, I just want to go see this thing take out at least lows. I think lows would be a pretty fair ask. I think lows would be a pretty fair ask here. What prices are we in at? We're in at the 699s, and I would need like 40 points from there. So like, not even 40 points. I would need 36 points. So I would need 63. So I would need 63 right here. Buy 25 limit. That's our trade. Can we get some love here? Can we get this to hold through this EMA? I think we're going to take some drawdown, unfortunately. Probably going to have to sit through a little bit of drawdown, see this EMA actually give us a chance, and then maybe we go see low a day, and then maybe we can get out of here. Maybe, just maybe, we can get out of here. Yeah, it's risky. 19 likes, one more. Chat, drops the likes. Let's go, Pat. If y'all haven't yet, show some love. We're one away from our goal. Maybe you guys can help us push this towards these 660s. Give us our full TP on the day. It's been we took a lot of trades today. Maybe we can get out of here with some love. I'm not gonna lie, we're into a spot where the buyers have been excited every single time, though. So EMA is gonna be our defense. Can we get this to actually hold below here with the sellers? Want to see maybe the lows get played through. You've been trading these 150Ks really well, man. I'm proud of this. This is the kind of trading that's gonna get you to six figure this year. Let's go, Pat. Let's go, baby. I love that energy, King. Man, right back into the EMA. This is, like I said, this is our last defense. If we don't see this hold, well, we're going to be wrong. So I'm not going to let it just snap me out of the position. Come on, EMA. I didn't notice that all the selling volume that we just tried to buy are short. Oi, 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 oi. We get a nice buy volume right through our price. Feels awful. Got to retry to claim the EMA now. Otherwise, we are probably on the wrong side of the team here. On the wrong team. Come on, sellers. You guys have just did all your work. All your hard work. Your hard-earned selling. I like a doji there. Come on now. Continuation. Continuation from the sellers here. Break through this lows. Don't want to see a wick at the EMA. We got to we got to hold the EMA. Sellers have to reclaim EMA here. I'm longing it. It's not a bad long, Danny, at all. Lots of selling volume there, so. Oh my God. I'm just going to let these bust me, honestly. Like, what the fuck? We're really just going to whip. We are. We're going to whip and hold. I just don't believe these longs at all. They're just trying to find my stop. I know it. You're just trying to find my stop loss. Come on, sellers. Be realistic now. Y'all just did all that hard work. Get back down there. No one's going to be upset about it. Go ahead. Big black, no wick. I can see it. Giant black, no wick. Reclaim the EMA now. Start pushing back towards the lows. Where are we actually auctioning? Into this wick. Yeah, I mean, I'm just going to let it bust us, I guess. I don't know. This is insane. I don't believe these longs for a single second. Look at the decompressed volume. We have big buying volume. Price couldn't barely push. Big black, no wick. Show me. Come on, get down there. Reclaim the EMA. Sell through it. Last chance. Last chance. If they hold this EMA, we're going to be cooked. I imagine we try to cut through. Here we go. No wick now. Stop's going to be moved to the swing high. Can we break through this EMA, please? Be realistic. Auction to that low side here. Our price is going to be the tricky one now. Back to the 600s, 700s. Can we break through these 700s? If we do, we should be looking okay. No wick. I like that the sellers are back below the EMA here. If we can get back below the 700s, I think the sellers are going to be very much the ones winning. I like that we're below the EMA at least. It's never out of the woods. Come on, big black, no wick. Start cutting towards that lows. Like I said, I did not and do not believe these longs. But it doesn't matter what I think. We just got to see it. Here comes the EMA. Got to hold it. Sellers got to defend here. Sellers got to defend here. Come on, sellers. Defend this EMA. Push us back to the lows. If we hold through these 700s, it's going to look good. If not, if the 700s hold, it's going to get pretty scary for the shorts. Come on. Yeah, it's gonna want to hold. Anything above the EMA is bad. Got to see the sellers keep defending it. The 700s is the scary spot. It's a whole number. Could easily find some excitement. We got to see the 7s try to break through for us. Try to break through these 7s, sellers. Come on. Holding the EMA would be ideal at least. Give me a strong closure here. Big black, no wick. Decent reaction. Another decent reaction. It's a good close. It really is. Give us the pull. Give us the pull now. Give us the pull now. 700s are being very stubborn. Can I be a part of the move, please? Here's the line in the sand. Pull through there with some weight. Big black, no wick now. Cut through. Let's see it cut through here. Line in the sand. Come on, baby. Get down there. Come on. Decent close. It's not a bad reaction. We got to see it be full. Below the 7s is in our favor. Seeking the 63s, which would not even be low a day. Just within the range. It's going to be a tricky spot to get through, though, because there's a lot of buying that's been bidding through here. Come on. Keep this momentum. Another chain a couple of those together. Get down there. If we break the 690s, it's going to look pretty decent. We break 690, 689, I'm going to put our break even on. Show me a big black. No wick. Get down there. Come on, girl. Woo! Woo! Selling. Woo! Where my sellers at? Come on. You did the fun before. Do it again. Now that I'm actually in. I already took all your drawdown. I held through your drawdown. Get down there. Put our break even on if we can close below these 90s. Here come the 90s. Can we get in below now? Stubborn ass buying at these 690s. Man, my word. This is such a tease, guys. Yo, sorry I missed it. Jay, what's up, King? Welcome in. Hey, how we doing, chat? What's up, William? Happy to have you, brother. Happy New Year. We're 3 days out from 26. Funny, we never left a 15-minute box. I know. Very funny. Which is why I'm auctioning towards the lows of it. Can we break through these 90s? Put a break even on, please. Nice. Nice. Break even's on now, and we're free. And we're targeting the 63s. Can we find some love here? Can this be the end of it? It's been a long, long day. Come on, sellers. Win this moment. You guys finally just earned all that back. No reason we shouldn't go see just a little tap of this low down here. Please do not do what you're telling me you're gonna do. Motherfucker. We're getting so teased, guys. Got to see the sellers hold this price. Come on, sellers. Win the moment. Win the price. Come on. Please. Teasing the shit out of us today.
Stop filled.
Oh my fucking god, man. Absolutely diabolical. We just got to close out of one of our contracts. Not all of them yet.
Stop filled.
Pathetic. Absolutely fucking pathetic price action. Boo! God. This is def a W for you. F Weibo, I appreciate it. We couldn't get it to work, though. Waterfall, Danny, I needed it. Funny, we never left. Don't got to pass on 2 days, my boy. Yeah, but, bro, I mean, you're right. It's just holy fucking shit. Move. Like, that's just so gross. Finally get price to go, and it's just going to do this shit. Every fucking time, there's one more price touch. One more price touch. Are you serious? Like, you just can't make this shit up, man. Wow. Wow. Like, are you fucking serious?
Order filled.
Still just imagine we see lows here. Waiting, trying one more try. Just imagine we go see lows here. It's just a classic one more price touch before the fun really begins. Or this one price is actually going to hold and cook us, huh? We're below the EMA. Come on, sellers. We're in a spot where prices held so much. Come on, go see lows. We're auctioning towards the absolute bottom of the 50-minute range. We auction towards the low of the day. Go sell. Every time we have these big selling volume candles, there's no continuation. Come on, snap this price. Why are we below 700 and you're auctioning weird like this? This is not looking fantastic, to be honest with you guys. Oh my fucking god, I can't handle it. Go see the low a day here. Let that be your final little swing high. And go see lows. Go see lows here. Let that be your final swing high that you would always do to us. Go. Auction. Through this low. Back to the 690s. Don't mind, bro. Chill. You will pass tomorrow. Bro said, "Fuck it." Tilt. You're late on. Are you off from work this week, Ty? Yeah, I'm not working. Well, I'm not off the whole week, but today I don't believe. Don't gotta go down there. All right, this is our last trade, though, guys. I don't love that we're auctioning below this EMA. Can we just find the continuation? This is our final chance. Get back through this low. Buyers could get excited at any point through here. Sellers, I really believe will win the moment, but it's been tricky. Come on, sellers. Let this be that final moment. Do the thing you've been doing. Every swing high you swing, you fucking push right through. Really? Like, really? My fucking god.
Stop filled.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking lose my shit. Well, you guys see it. You guys are literally seeing it. Unbelievable. Just wow. Fucking agonizing. Like, what the fuck, man? Why are we leaving these lows behind like that? Genuinely, what the fuck? So annoying. Oh my god, dude. I'm trying to lose money on this eval and I keep making making more. Weibo, give me that love, King. I need some of the money making over here. I need some of that. Apparently all you have to do is buy every fucking candle that we're selling, so. Just wild. Look at this awful, awful, awful price action. Give me a fill up here at these 22s then. If that's what you're going to do. If you're going to hold this bottom, give me a fill. No, no. As soon as I put my my sell order in, you guys see the way price reacts. Do sell, buy, click super fast, and the fees will eat up. Yeah, that's a good advice for trying to lose money. Steak too juicy, lobster so buttery. I'm not trying on God. Send me that. I need that. I'm trying over here. We're getting cooked. What a gross price action. We go see highs here? The less I try, the more I make. It makes no sense. It truly doesn't, does it, my man? Any other day, that's a great problem to have. Looking to get a fill with these 22s for the continuation. I'm so fed up. I'm so fed up with all this NASDAQ giving me a heart attack. Can I get a fill, though? My word. The less that is JP Morgan Chase in the stream? That's why I see that's a good question, because it feels like they're just straight targeting every single opportunity. You know what? I was gonna say I'm flipping over to the other side. I'm flipping over to the other side. I'm going long.
Order filled.
We're going to bust these accounts or get this play through. Where's this EMA love? Not the one time the sellers are going to win, huh? The one time the sellers are going to win right now. Unbelievable, guys. You just can't make this shit up. You just genuinely cannot make this shit up. Go ahead. Take my monies. Take my money and run, you stupid fucking thing. Do it. There it is. All right, guys. Well, that's stream. I'm over it. I'm off. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for being here. I am going to fucking tilt, so... yeah, really, really, really fun trading. I appreciate every single fucking person for being here. It means a lot. I am so annoyed right now. So, 2 more days left at the end of the year. Just cannot believe this fucking chart. Like, what the fuck would we auction back up for like that? It's just insane. But tomorrow is a new opportunity, Pobby, like you said. Be blessed today and make sure y'all get some sun. Absolutely work. Do what you got to do. Take your bodies right. NQ is tough. Yeah, GPT. It's just fucking... I'm going to put a hole in my monitor, so I got to get out of here. But I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thanks for spending the morning watching me fucking tilt. God, it's so annoying sometimes. And we'll be back again doing the thing all over again. We're going to go see the lows now, right? Because it had to go auction one more fucking time. It's going to go auction one more time to the 700s. Why? It doesn't make sense. Look at this chart, guys. Gross. Oh my God, it's so gross. Oh, look. Perfect. Where I get stopped out, price is right back in. Yeah, I don't know. All right. Stay up, King. I appreciate y'all. The energy's unreal. You guys always pull me up. I'll be back. I'll be better. I'll blow it off. It's fine. It's just so frustrating sometimes. But we load up. We do it all over again. I appreciate y'all for being here. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And we do it all over again. Like we never left. Over and over and over and over. 2026 is our year. All right. I love y'all. Take it easy. Peace.